Lisa is an acrobat and works in a circus.
Ben is working as a dog walker this summer.
I work out at the gym 3 times a week.
The marine biologist is taking photos of an octopus at the moment.
The plane to Madrid leaves at 9:35 tomorrow morning.
They are going on holiday to Hawaii and are arriving there tomorrow.
It rarely rains in the Sahara Desert.
The Earth's climate is getting warmer and warmer because of global warming.
They have made colourful floats for the carnival. Janet has flown in a hot air balloon at a hot air balloon festival and she loved it. She has been a professional singer for 3 years. They are very happy. They have just won a prize at the carnival for their costumes. Thousands of people have come to the festival today. The girls aren't at home. They have gone to the summer fair. Jake has been in London since Tuesday and is looking for a flat. May has been to Spain. While she was there, she went to the La Tomatina festival.